Ever wondered why a simple walk in the park can lift your spirits? It's not just the fresh air or the beauty of the scenery that's doing the trick, although they certainly help. There's a whole lot more going on behind the scenes, and it's all about the power of nature and its impact on our mental health. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating subject and understand why spending time outdoors is not just a leisure activity, but a necessity for our well-being. You see, nature has a calming effect on our minds. It's like a soft, soothing melody, whispering to us through the rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, or the murmur of a brook. It's a symphony of sounds that can drown out the cacophony of our daily lives, allowing our minds to relax, rejuvenate, and reset. But how does this happen? Well, when we are surrounded by nature, our senses become engaged in a different way. We begin to notice the subtle changes in the environment, the shift in the wind, the play of light and shadow. This heightened awareness helps us shift our focus away from our worries and anxieties and towards the present moment. It's a form of mindfulness, an exercise in being present, and it's incredibly therapeutic. And here's an interesting fact for you. Research has shown that spending as little as 120 minutes a week outside can have significant mental health benefits. Yes, just 2 hours a week, that's all it takes. Imagine only a fraction of your time can make a world of difference to your mental health. It can reduce stress, improve mood, enhance creativity, and even boost self-esteem. That's the power of nature for you. So the next time you're feeling low, why not consider stepping outside? Take a leisurely stroll in the park, sit by a lake, hike up a hill, or just lie down on the grass and watch the clouds drift by. Give your mind the break it deserves. After all, mental health is just as important as physical health, and nature is one of the best therapists we have. But don't just take our word for it, let's dive into some scientific evidence. Over the past few decades, numerous studies have underscored the profound impact of nature on mental health. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that people who spent just 20 minutes a day in a park, even if they weren't exercising, reported an increase in life satisfaction. Another research piece from the University of Michigan discovered that group nature walks could significantly lower depression, lessen perceived stress, and enhance mental health and well-being. The power of nature is so influential that merely viewing pictures of landscapes can trigger similar positive effects, as indicated by a study from the University of Minnesota. But it's not just about feeling good or lifting your spirits. Getting outside plays a crucial role in reducing the symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. A Stanford study revealed that people who walked for 90 minutes in a natural area, as opposed to an urban setting, showed decreased activity in a region of the brain associated with a key factor in mental illness. The beneficial effects of outdoor activities are further amplified by sunlight exposure. You see, our bodies produce serotonin, often called the happy hormone, in response to bright light. A study from the Lancet Psychiatry Journal demonstrated that people with lower levels of serotonin reported more depressive symptoms. So, soaking up some sunlight can literally brighten your mood. In a nutshell, the great outdoors offers us an accessible, cost-effective, and natural mental health remedy. It provides a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life, a chance to engage in physical activity, and an opportunity to connect with our environment. It's a holistic approach to mental health that goes beyond the confines of traditional therapy or medication. Clearly, science backs up the notion that getting outside can do wonders for your mental well-being. Now that we've established the importance of spending time outdoors, what are some activities you can engage in? Well, there's a wide array of outdoor activities that can help boost your mental health. Let's start with something as simple as taking a walk. This isn't about speed or distance, but rather about taking the time to immerse yourself in the natural world. Notice the colors, the sounds, the smells. This form of mindful walking can be a potent stress reducer and mood booster. Gardening is another fantastic outdoor activity. It's not just about the physical exertion, though that's a nice bonus. It's also about nurturing something. Watching it grow and flourish, it's a tangible reminder of life's cycles, of the power of care and patience. Plus, there's something incredibly grounding about getting your hands dirty, about connecting with the earth in such a direct way. Cycling, too, can be a wonderful way to enjoy the outdoors. Feel the wind in your hair, the sun on your skin. Notice how your body feels as it moves, as it responds to the challenge. It's not just good for your body, but for your mind as well. It's a chance to step away from the demands of daily life, to clear your head, to recharge. Birdwatching is another outdoor activity that can benefit your mental health. It's a chance to slow down, to really see and appreciate the world around you. It encourages patience, focus, and calm. Plus, it's a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of the natural world. These activities aren't just about exercise, although that's certainly a part of it. They're also about disconnecting from daily stresses, about immersing yourself in the natural world. They offer opportunities for social interaction, for connection, for grounding and centering. They remind us that we're part of something much larger than ourselves. Remember, it doesn't have to be a strenuous activity. The goal is to get outside and enjoy nature. So, we've covered a lot today about the mental health benefits of getting outside. In this journey, we've explored the significant mental health boost that comes from simply stepping out of our doors. We've discovered that the world outside isn't just a vast expanse of space, but a natural therapy room, a gym, and a meditation center all rolled into one. We delved into the fascinating connections between the great outdoors and our mental well-being. Remember how we talked about natural light's impact on our mood, or how fresh air can help us breathe easier and think clearer? And let's not forget the power of green spaces in reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. It's almost as if Mother Nature herself penned the prescription for a healthier mind. We also discussed a range of outdoor activities that can contribute to better mental health. From the calm serenity of forest bathing to the adrenaline rush of mountain biking, there's an outdoor activity for everyone. Be it a gentle stroll in a park, growing your own garden, or challenging yourself on a hiking trail, each activity offers its unique blend of physical exertion and mental relaxation. But knowing all this isn't enough, is it? The key lies in action. So let's make a conscious effort to spend more time outside. Let's trade our screens for green scenes, our couches for outdoor benches, and our air conditioning for the refreshing natural breeze. Remember, you don't need to climb a mountain or run a marathon. Even a few minutes outside each day can make a significant difference. As we wrap up, let's reflect on what we've learned today. The outdoors isn't just a pretty backdrop for our lives, it's an essential part of our mental health toolkit. So, let's step outside, breathe in the fresh air, soak up the sunlight, engage in outdoor activities, and give our minds the nourishment they need. For more insightful videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, remember, a daily dose of nature can be a great boost for your mental health.